Yes, good morning, student. How are you all? Today we are going to revise the chapter cell. In the cell, we have the topic cell structure. Now, what is cell structure? This is the basic component of cell. It has the outer cell wall, then we have the plasma membranes, then in the center we have the nucleus. Now, what is nucleus? Nucleus is the main part of cell, or you can say the controlling part of cell. In the cell structure, we have cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus, vacuoles, and chloroplast, mitochondria. So these are the main part of cell. Next, we have discussed the structure of cell. In the structure of cell, we have the plasma membranes. Now, what is plasma membranes? Plasma membranes is a semi-permeable membranes which allow the things to enter or move out from the cell. Okay, so it is semi permeable. Next we have the nucleus is the controlling unit of cell. It control the functions of cell. Also it has the genetic material is that material which brings the one generation's character to the offspring. So these carriers are genes. Also nucleus did the cell division. The cell division are done by centrosomes that are present in nucleus. Next we have the cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a fluid content within plasma membrane. In the cytoplasm is a fluid inside the cell. It contains the cell organelle. All the cell organelles are inside this fluid. Next we have the cell wall. Cell wall is only present in plants, or you can say the small bacteria. It is the exceptional case bacteria. So it is mostly present in plants, cell wall. Next we have the cell organelles in detail. So first we have the plastid. What is plastid? It is only present in plants and it has the chloroplast. You know that chloroplast where the plants did the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Next we have the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the very important part of cell. It is also known as the powerhouse of cell. It generates energy for the cell. Next we have the vacuoles. Vacuoles, you can say the storage or an empty space present inside the cell. Next we have the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, it stores, modify and packaging of the product. Next very important part is lysosomes. So what are lysosomes? Lysosomes are the suicidal bags. They eat away all the dead cells. Next we have the endoplasmic reticulum. It has two parts, RER and SER. RER means rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In the rough endoplasmic reticulum, there is a protein generation, and in a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they produce lipids and fats. So it is all about the cell structures. Also there is an important point, the centrioles, or you can say the centrosomes, are present only in animal cells. Also we have the structure of plant cell and animal cell. In the structure of plant cell and animal cell, you have to remember the only 6 organelles, and this green color substance is vacuole that has in large size in case of plant cell, and average, you can say a small size in case of animal cell.